Assalamualaikum and hi to everyone. Today our group from group 6 will present about the wasted liquid management to sustain the environment in our FKP lab usually. Okay, this is our team members. We have 7 team members, which is Ismail Faiz Muzamin, Sa'id Kadir Zaman, Muaz Ali, Wan Muhammad Farid, Farid Ishaq and me, Azri Azizi. Okay, the objective of this project, first, to learn the importance of environment safety and health and OSHA regulation in workplace. Second one, to demonstrate knowledge of need for sustained development with regard to the problem statement. Third, to practice critical thinking and teamwork skills with different groups on problem solving. Fourth, to design an engineering solution using quality management tools. Fifth, to identify contemporary issues within campus area with regard to engineering solution in society and environmental context. Okay, the next. What is about our project actually? Our project is provide a waste material which we will build a bin for student to collect the wasted material in certain place. So we have fabricate bin and put the bin at the material lab. The location that we put is easily to student to collect and to follow the instruction in the lab material. Okay, some of example of material that can be recycled and reused that can be filled in the bin are steel, mild steel and aluminium. The benefit of our project it will easy for students to collect the material for their project and reduce, which means that they can reuse back the material, waste material. If the material is okay, then they can use the material back. The cost for lab project by using the current material for project. Moreover, we can increase the production and efficiency of used material. Okay, this is our organization chart. Okay, this is about our design project. Design project, this is the second design project. But the fabricate, the true product is a little bit different because have something advice from our JP. The first design project is okay. This is the first design, the drafting design. We use the dimension 1000 mm, height with 1000 mm, width with 1000 mm, and the length is 1000 mm. It will be a cubeboard. Cube. It will be a cube, like a cube. But this design looks not very interesting. And after we calculate, the weight will be very heavy for us, very heavy and too big. So too big and too hard to fabricate. So we change our design and go to this design, which the height for this bin is 400 mm and the width is 600 mm. So it will be small than before, and it looks like a very friendly user to student to use. Next, this is the front view of the design. side view of design. This is bottom design. We
stand under the bottom of the design.
Yeah, we stand for the product. Easy for us to move the bin to another place. So this is final design project. Okay. Okay. Next we proceed to the procedure. The first one is about prepare material. We are prepare material using my steel plate with 3 mm. 3 mm thickness. 3 mm thickness, and then we cut the material according to the dimension for 2 bin, because we are 2 bin, and then we cut the material according to the dimension by using a shearing machine. And then we fabricate the material. Joining part, we use a welding, MIG welding, by permission of Encik Yahya. And then we do a finishing product. Encik Yahya advise us to use spray metal and metal oxide sealer. In spray oxide, and inside is metal oxide sealer. Okay, next, machine. We are using, in this project, we are using shearing machine to cut the plate into the certain dimension, because the dimension in this side and that side is same. Bottom have another dimension, so that we need to marking very accurate for this product. And then we are using MIG welding. Very thankful that because our lab lecturer give us opportunity to use a welding machine. They really support us to do this project. And then the third one is portable grinder. This portable grinder they didn't have in our machining lab. This is our own machine. Portable grinder used for smooth the surface, for easily to us to spray the outer layer. Then this is our product. Okay. As conclusion, our product to build or fabricate this bin is successfully. Although there is a certain technical problem in our project, but we can handle it very nice. So I open the Q&A question for you to ask.
Okay, what improvement can you do for this bin after this?
Okay, actually, in this bin, we can improve this bin by give a hole, make a hole inside the bin, because this bin don't have
a hole. So if we put a wet material, so the water will be stuck into the bin. So next time we will make a hole and make sure if the wet material put inside that, the water will go away.
Maybe we will do the hole at the side of the product.
Next question.
What your hope for this project?
Okay, I hope our project can be used for another semester for them, and give positive feedback to our product.
Okay, next question is, do you have anything implication? during this project?
So what we have problem will occur during the fabrication process. First, we don't have the permission to use the machine. First of all, we have been scolded by Encik Yahya for use the material. We before that we have permission to use 3mm mastic, but our group make a mistake, use 2mm material, and then our team member is banned to use the machining lab. So after we talk to Encik Yahya and set the permission again, and he allowed us to do it again with 3mm my steel plate. And then the contribution, the problem we have is the contribution of our member. So some of us didn't cooperate very much, but the problem is not big at all. And then during the welding, the setting for the welding is not accurate and not proper, so the material will not combine properly during the welding using MIG. So we has advice from Encik Yahya to setting up again our MIG, and then the problem is solved.
Okay, that's all for us. Thank you.
12 minit. Korang 10 minit je.